Yes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my podcast. Yes, welcome back to my page to another episode today on this beautiful day. Okay, I saw something in Bulawayo. I saw something in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town when I was there, January and February 2025. I was doing my work, I was doing my job in Bulawayo City or Bulawayo Town, and I was enjoying everything. Then I was moving around in the CBD, Bulawayo CBD, the town or the city itself. And I was seeing a lot of banks and the people standing in the queues or standing in the lines, ready to do their business at the bank ATMs, or maybe to go inside the bank halls and do whatever they want to do. But one thing surprised me, or maybe two things, which you don't normally see or which you don't normally find in Mashonaland. Let me say Gweru or Harare or Mashingo or Mutare. These towns or cities under Mashonaland, you don't see that thing, right? So the people were so very organized when they're standing in the queues, standing in the lines, very organized, so orderly. Everything was done according to order, so organized, very well coordinated, well mannered. I'm like, what? So this is how they do things in Bulawayo. I was very much surprised. I was very much shocked. I'm like, what's happening here? Usually in Mashonaland, you talk of Harare, the capital city, Harare, Masvingo, Mutare, or Bindura, or Guruwe, or Mvurwe. All these other Mashonaland towns or cities. You see people, they can skip the line or they can jump the line. They go in front, maybe they pay somebody to do them a favor, or they can bribe someone to grant them a favor. But I never saw that in Bulawayo. When I saw people on the queue at First Capital Bank or at NMB Bank or Stanbic Bank, or you talk of even Cabs Bank, even Stewart Bank, I never saw that happening. Even at FBC Bank, I never saw that happening. To see people skipping a line or maybe whispering, saying something to one another in case they need a favor or to grant them a favor. I never saw something of that nature or something of that caliber. When I was watching, when I was observing, when I was busy seeing these people in the queues and standing the lines in Bulawayo, I was very much surprised. I was very much shocked. I'm like, what? So this is how they do things in Bulawayo. So, like I said, in Mashonaland, in Harare, Gweru, Mutare, Bindura, Mashingo, all these towns, people can skip the line. They can jump the line. They can bribe someone, pay somebody to give them a favor. I need to come on that. I need to come inside the bank very fast. Okay, you can come. Please, I need to jump the line. Okay, you can jump the line. Oh, I need to skip the line. Okay, you can skip the line. Such kind of rude behavior, that stupid behavior, you can see it happening here and there in Harare or Mashingo or Mutare or Bindura or Guruwe or Mvurwe, even Mazoe, these Mashonandi towns. But I was very happy. I was very excited. I was so much in a jovial mood, celebrating, appreciating the order, the level of order, the level of organization that I saw in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, when people were in the queues, when people were standing in the lines at, at Stewart Bank, Stanbic Bank, NMB Bank, or First Capital Bank, even Cabs Bank, even POSB Bank, even FBC Bank. When I was moving around, watching, when I was moving around, looking, seeing, because it was my first time to be in Bulawayo. So I was just looking, I was just observing, I was just having a look to see how things are done in Bulawayo, especially on the banks, FBC, Steward, Stanbic, POSB, Cabs, First Capital. You see, FBC Bank. I was very happy. I was very excited. So this is one of the things that I liked, that I enjoyed to see. I enjoyed to watch when people are in order, well coordinated, well organized, without doing any noise or making any noise. They're well disciplined when they're standing in the queue. They're well disciplined or well mannered to show that they've good home training, to prove and show that they've good home training when they're standing in the queues, ready to do their business on the bank ATMs, or maybe to go inside the bank halls and maybe talk to the consultants inside the bank, or to talk to the guys on the teller machines. You see, so I was very happy. I was very excited. This is one of the things that I liked in Bulawayo. Okay, what do you have to say about what I said about this behavior at banks, this attitude at banks? If you compare what you've seen in Matebeleland, in Bulawayo especially, and what you've seen in other Mashonaland towns, Mashonaland cities, what do you have to say? What is your comment? What I'm saying, is it true or maybe it's not true? Am I lying or I'm not lying? Am I exaggerating things or I'm not exaggerating things? Do you subscribe to what I'm saying or you don't subscribe? Do you agree to what I'm saying or you don't agree? What are comments? What are thoughts on what I've said about the behavior of people? If you compare people in Bulawayo at the banks and the people in Harar or people in Mutare, people in Mashingo, people in Gweru, or people in Bedbridge, or on the bank ATMs, how they behave in terms of skipping the line, jumping the line, making a lot of noise. When people are making a lot of noise, they're not disciplined, they're not coordinated, they're not organized. Is it the same thing that you also saw in Bulawayo? Like the way I've said, but according to my experience in Bulawayo, I saw something opposite, something different. There was no noise. People were organized. People were happy, well mannered, well coordinated, well organized, uh, observing the queue. Each person, each man, each woman, every guy, every girl waiting for his or her chance, or for his or her turn to go on the bank ATM or to go inside the bank and do whatever they wanna do, without skipping the line, without jumping the line. I was happy. I'm telling you. I was very excited. I'm telling you. Is this your experience in your town, in your city in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe? Is it your experience? Is it your yeah? Is it your experience? Like the way I'm saying, please comment, drop a comment, write, type a comment in the comments box, comment section. I'll come and attend to them. I'll come and check them out. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Peace out. Sharp.